speaking for the victims, she is once again speaking for killers and trying to cast aspersions and doubt among the people and providing handle to Pakistan.
See, there are people in the civil society who somehow understand the reality but try to say something which is away from the reality. There are many people who are active on the social media who are trying to cast aspersions on the killing of terrorists. Unfortunately, there are people who have started looking at the killers as innocent people. In yesterday's encounter, 3 terrorists have been eliminated: Mehran, Arafat and Manzoor. Mehran is from downtown Srinagar. Arafat and Manzoor are from Pulwama district. Both were earlier working as OGWs with Abbas Sheikh, who was chief commander of TRF, which is an affiliate of Lashkar-e-Tauba. So when you look at what Mehran has been doing ever since he became active, he was earlier working as associate with Abbas Sheikh, and he's the one who was providing all kind of logistic support to Abbas when he was active in Srinagar city and elsewhere. He is responsible, along with his associates, for the killing of our sub-inspector Arshad. He is responsible for a grenade attack on 26th of June 2021 at Barbarsha, in which 1 innocent civilian was killed and 3 of them were injured. He is also responsible for killing of Mehran Ali Sheikh, again a resident of Nawakadal, Srinagar. He was also responsible for killing of principal of a school, Miss Supinder Kaur, and teacher Deepak Chand. So he suddenly become innocent after so many killings. I think this is high time people look at the reality without mixing it up with their imaginations. It's an encounter which has brought relief to the people who lost their dear ones. Police is there to assist everyone who feels that there is any kind of threat from any anti-national element. Kashmir Police has been helping such people, and there are people even in the journalist community who were threatened earlier on various pretexts. This time around also, if there is any threat, we'll be able to take care.
Sir. And how many were terror associates and how many were terrorists?
See, that special investigation team has been constituted by zonal police in this regard. They are at work. I think I'll give them some more time to make any specific comment on the progress of the case, because they're still working on very important aspects. But I can say it with full authority that police is doing its professional work, and our officers know how to conduct operations. We are not there to get lessons from the others who are unaware as to how the operations are carried out. As per reports, there are very strong pieces of evidence available in this case, which will be shared with all concerned very soon. See, if there is someone who is providing a hiding space to a foreign terrorist in his own premises, and the terrorist with the weapon is moving around in the city and picking up targets, somebody from those innocent civilians, so-called innocent civilians, is taking him out on a recce, on a motorbike, picking up targets for him. And you say he's an innocent. How innocent he is or he was would be subsequently proven when the investigation makes further progress. There's a foreign terrorist, a Pakistani terrorist who's moving around in the city with a weapon. That foreign terrorist is responsible for shooting a policeman, and the policeman has recognized that yes, this is the man. I saw him from a very close range, who came close to him and fired upon him. So therefore, our investigation is in progress, which is very much suggesting that there's a terrorist and there's a terror network around him which is supporting him. So we'll see who's involved to what extent. That will be shared at the right time. के पीछे 2, 3, 4 लोग हो सकते हैं जो उसको वेपन को आगे पीछे ट्रांसपोर्ट करने में, उसको पनाह देने में, उसको आगे पीछे चलाने में उसकी मदद करते हैं। पीछे जो कार्रवाई हुई उसमें काफ़ी बड़े टेरर नेटवर्क्स जो OGW नेटवर्क्स हैं वो आइडेंटिफाई किए गए और आइडेंटिफाई करने के बाद बस्ट किए गए। बड़ी तादाद में UAPA के तहत केसेस लग गए। PSA के अंदर लोगों को बुक किया गया, हालांकि वो भी बेगुनाह है लोगों की नज़र में, जो लोग रियलिटी को देखना नहीं चाहते, मगर वो किस किस टेरर नेटवर्क का हिस्सा हैं वो रिकॉर्ड पे है और उसी रिकॉर्ड की बुनियाद पर ही उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई की गई है। और ऐसे OGW नेटवर्क ख़ासतौर पे जो हाइब्रिड कैटेगरी के हैं, रूटीन में बहुत सीधा साधा स्कूल गोइंग या कॉलेज गोइंग नॉर्मल शहरी की तरह दिखता है आदमी, मगर वेपन उठा के किसी की कनपट्टी पर रख के गोली चला के उसको मार सकता है और वो कातिल है, ये हकीकत कम लोगों को मालूम होती है और मुझे लगता है कि ये हकीकत जितने ज़्यादा लोगों को मालूम हो उतना ही अच्छा है। ऐसे लोग आइडेंटिफाई किए गए हैं, उनके खिलाफ एक्शन किया गया है। बहुत सारे लोग ऑपरेशन में एलिमिनेट हो गए हैं। बहुत सारे लोगों के खिलाफ जिनकी कार्रवाई उस हद तक नहीं है, जो अभी हथियार लेकर के हथियारबंद कार्रवाइयों में शामिल नहीं हुए हैं, उनके खिलाफ बाकी कानूनी कार्रवाई की गई है। ये कार्रवाई चलती रहेगी और लोग जो सामने आएंगे उनके खिलाफ भी सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
मेरा सवाल ये है कि
मैं फिगर्स में नहीं जाता हूं क्योंकि फिगर्स हर रोज़ कम होती रहती हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि और कम हो जाए, मगर इतना बता दूं कि ये फिगर इस वक्त लोवेस्ट लेवल पे पहुंची हैं पिछले सालों में और इनको और कम कर दिया जाएगा ऐसा हमारा यकीन है। और जो पार से कार्रवाई चल रही है उसमें जैसा मैंने कहा कि काफ़ी हद तक पार से होने वाली इन्फिल्ट्रेशन रोकी गई है। हमारी कोशिश है कि इसको और कम कर दिया जाए। जय हिंद।